Welcome to another exciting review today. We are diving into the elegance and power of the 2025 Ferrari Roma, a masterpiece of Italian automotive craftsmanship. The Roma has always been about blending classic Ferrari styling with modern performance, and the 2025 model takes this to another level. The sleek and aerodynamic design of the Ferrari Roma remains one of its standout features. The flowing lines, sculpted body, and aggressive, yet elegant stance make it an absolute head-turner. The front fascia features a refined grille design with sharp LED headlights that seamlessly integrate into the body, giving it a futuristic yet timeless appeal. The long hood and sloping roofline enhance its grand tour personality, while the rear end sports quad exhaust tips and a subtle yet sporty diffuser. Under the hood, the 2025 Ferrari Roma is powered by a twin-turbocharged 3.9-liter V8 engine, delivering breathtaking performance with an output of around 700 horsepower. This machine launches from 0 to 100 km/h in just under 3.2 seconds. Ferrari's cutting-edge 8-speed dual-clutch transmission ensures lightning-fast gear shifts, giving drivers a thrilling yet smooth experience on both highways and winding roads. That Roma's rear-wheel drive system is perfectly tuned for an engaging and dynamic driving feel, making it one of the most enjoyable GT cars to drive. Ferrari has also refined the Roma's handling, with improved aerodynamics and chassis tuning. The advanced suspension system provides a perfect balance between comfort and sportness, making it an excellent choice for both daily driving and spirited weekend drives. The steering is sharp and precise, allowing the driver to feel completely connected to the road. Inside the cabin, the Ferrari Roma exudes luxury and sophistication. The premium leather upholstery, carbon fiber accents, and aluminum trims create a perfect blend of elegance and sportness. The new digital driver display and central touchscreen offer a seamless and intuitive interface for controlling various functions. The passenger display adds an interactive experience, allowing the co-driver to be part of the action. The seats are ergonomically designed to provide maximum comfort while maintaining a sporty feel. The Roma features the latest Ferrari infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, ensuring a connected and enjoyable ride. The premium audio system delivers crystal clear sound, making long drives a pleasure. Technology in the 2025 Ferrari Roma has been taken to the next level, with an advanced driver assistance system, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and emergency braking. Safety and convenience go hand in hand. The Roma also comes with multiple driving modes, allowing the driver to switch between comfort, sport, and race settings for a customized experience. Ferrari has made sure the Roma stands out in terms of exclusivity and customization options. Buyers can choose from a wide range of exterior colors, interior materials, and performance upgrades to make their Roma truly unique. This level of personalization adds to the charm and desirability of owning a Ferrari. Fuel efficiency might not be the top priority for Ferrari buyers, but the 2025 Roma features an improved engine management system that optimizes fuel consumption without compromising performance. With lightweight materials and aerodynamic enhancements, the Roma is more efficient than ever while still delivering exhilarating performance. The 2025 Ferrari Roma is a perfect blend of heritage, modern technology, and thrilling performance. Whether you want a stylish grand tourer for long road trips or a high-performance machine for weekend drives, the Roma delivers on all fronts. With its stunning design, powerful engine, and luxurious interior, it remains one of the most desirable Ferraris on the market. Stay tuned for more exciting reviews, and don't forget to experience the thrill of Ferrari craftsmanship whenever you get the chance.